Are you guys ready to spend the day with me? Are you guys ready to spend the day with me? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? First order of business, we're gonna get these under eyes together. These, we're gonna get them together. Okay, breakfast, I'm gonna have a sesame bagel. I used to be obsessed with sesame bagels. And I just felt like when I was in the store, I saw them and I was like, I need them. Say hi. Oh! Hi. So my mom got this beautiful lily for her birthday. So pretty. I don't know if you guys know, but lilies are such a like peaceful plant. They help to absorb like the toxins in the air to make for like a cleaner, better environment. And my mom decided to name it Miss February. So cute, right? Okay, so my time in New York is officially coming to an end. By the time you guys see this vlog, I should be back home in Houston, Texas. But I need to pack. I need to pack. And I literally, if you guys watched my last vlog, I went to buy a new suitcase because I came with 2 check bags, but I ended up leaving one at my friend's house. I'm gonna stay at her house until the next time I come here probably. But I was like, I need another suitcase so that I could pack my stuff up, because believe it or not, I still have a whole bunch of shit here. Okay, I'm doing laundry right now, so you guys are gonna hear the machine in the back. But yeah, I got this suitcase, this Wrangler suitcase from Burlington Coat Factory for, look how much, 60 cash. These 28-inch, which is like the standard check bag size, they run like $100, $110, $120 at TJ Maxx and Marshall. So if you are looking for suitcases, luggage, go to Burlington. They literally have the same brands as TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but for a cheaper price. Like, why nobody told me that? So I've been here like going around my room going through things, and look what I found. So this is my Canon M50. This is like my old vlogging camera that I used to use before I got this Sony ZV-1. But yeah, this lens is a lens I got from Amazon, but I found a kit lens. Where is it? I found a kit lens. So this is the lens that the camera body came with, and then I bought this lens because the quality on this lens is different. But I haven't revisited this kit lens in a while, so let's see. I'll record so you guys can see the difference. So this is with the 22 milliliter lens. Now I'm gonna switch to the kit lens so y'all can see the difference. I don't know if I had a converter piece, But this isn't, no, it couldn't have had a converter piece because it's a kit lens. I don't know, but I can't get this on, so I'm gonna just bring it with me to Houston and I'll figure it out when I get back home because I don't have the time right now. So yeah, I found that. I found some cute Sam Edelman boots. I already packed everything up, so I'm gonna show y'all in a following vlog when I get back to Houston. I found this cute scarf. So my friend Krishana, her mom actually like knit this scarf for me. Ooh, this scarf is a T, okay? A T, yeah. Period. So I found this. I found so many goodies. So I'm gonna keep going through everything, and then I'm going to start getting ready in 20 minutes so I can make it to, I have to go to Urban and Best Buy to return some things, and then I'm gonna head to brunch. So we're doing good on time today. We're doing good on time and productivity today, and I'm proud of myself. So as you guys can see, I still have a ton of things in my room that I have to go through, but either way, I'm here to report to y'all that I told y'all to get something from Amazon, and I'm back with the review that it's not that good. So I got this clear cosmetic bag from Amazon. I'm like, oh, cute. I can put my stuff in here when I travel. Look at the bag. Look at the bag. Look at the bag. It tore open. Like if Toe Up was a person, I don't know if a product did this. So I'm literally about to take everything out and transfer it to this bag that I got in PR from Luster's Pink. I have all of my micro smooth powders that I bought in here. I'm gonna put these in my makeup bag actually. Yeah, I think something spilled in my bag. But like, what is it? What is it that burned everything up like this? Is it this? So I'm getting ready for brunch. I just recorded me doing my makeup. What do you think of my makeup, Alex? Out of 10? 9. What's -1? Okay. Oh, girl, the face is eating. I'm taking my hair down. This is the twist out I did the other day with the Mazzani styling foam. So before with the twist in and after. Alex, what do you rate my hair? A 10? Make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, Alright, so of course the trains are messed up on the weekend. So I'm heading across town to the restaurant. Walking in the cold. Not fun. Okay, so I don't know if I told you guys, but we're going to Fumo, a different location than the one I went to the other day for my mom's birthday, so a little bit of a switch up. But I've never been to this location before, so we are gonna see what it's hitting for. But I'm hoping the food tastes the same. Could keep my cool, but tonight I'm wanting. I'm a bee in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you're ready for it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand how I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body. If I give you. Hey guys, your girl is finally back home. I had such a long day, but Carisha and I had a great brunch. I haven't seen Carisha since when I had the locks in. When I got my locks done, like the day after I saw her. But it's been a while. But we went to Fumo, a location in Kips Bay. It was on 29th Street and 3rd Avenue. It was a small location, very low key. So if you're trying to take your sneaky link out or go on a little sneaky date, that's the location to go to. Don't go to the one on the Upper West Side, because baby, that is the headquarters, okay? That is, you're gonna see somebody that you know who knows somebody that you know who gonna go tell that you want a little sneaky situation. So either way, it was smaller. It was like more like intimate. Service was good. The food was really good. Like the food might be better at the one in Kips Bay than the one in the Upper West Side. So yeah, it's just that the one on the Upper West Side is closer to the Bronx. So yeah, but we ended up getting the garlic bread, which was really good. For my entree, I got the chicken and waffles, babes. Let me tell y'all something. When I ordered the chicken and waffles, the guy told me like, yeah, it's like tenders. So I'm thinking like, I don't know if I want this, because when I get chicken and waffles, I want chicken and waffles, not chicken tenders and waffles. So I was a little skeptical, and then the food came out. I tried it. Those chicken tenders, girl. First of all, I'm very iffy about chicken tenders because I like chicken tenders where the skin is attached to the inside. I hate when the skin be falling off. The skin should not be falling off. Why is the skin falling off the tender? Why? Why? So either way, the skin was attached to the tender, to the inside. So it was lit. It was well seasoned. It was nice and hot and fresh. So good. The waffles, they put some like little seasoned sugar thing on. Bro. Bro. So good. So if you guys are looking for a brunch spot in New York City, I highly recommend Fumo. As you guys have seen, I went twice while I've been in New York during this stay. So do what you got to do with that information. And the prices aren't bad. It wasn't bad at all. And we also got how do you call it? It's not dessert. It's like when you get something after you have your entree. But we got tea, and the tea was good. Y'all know I'm a tea girl. Give me the tea all the time. So either way, we had a great time, and then I ended up coming back home. I took the train to go, and then I took the Metro North to come back. Like I took the MTA train to go down, and then I took the Metro North back uptown. So it wasn't too bad. But either way, my hair looks good, right? It look like it's real springy. It like so good, so full, so healthy. Smells amazing. But guess what? The girl has to wash her hair. Every time I have to wash my hair and I style it right before, the styling always comes out fire. But either way, I'm washing my hair because I have a hair appointment in the morning. I'm so excited. So I need to wash and blow dry my hair to prep for it. Can you guys guess what I'm doing to my hair? It's something, I don't want to say new. It's something I've done before, but I haven't done in a while. Ish. But either way, comment and let me know your guesses of what I'm about to get done to my hair tomorrow. But I'm ready to go, y'all. I feel like I'm low-key getting depressed being here. Like, oh, I miss everything down to my freaking tea mugs. Like, my juice containers. My couch. Yeah. I can't wait to get back.
We're gonna get into some things when I get back to the town, period. But I'm gonna record a whole separate maintenance vlog for y'all, and I'm gonna start that tomorrow. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna do this video as a day in the life. This vlog is gonna be short. It's probably gonna be like 15 minutes, and then the next vlog you guys will see will be the maintenance vlog, and it'll be longer. So either way, girl, y'all gonna get content. I also haven't uploaded in a while because I honestly haven't had the okay. Let me tell y'all what's been going on, because y'all probably like, girl, where's the videos? You keep saying you gonna post it, you not posting. I get it. I know, and y'all know I don't like that. This is unlike me. But I told you guys that I can only edit one video on my laptop at a time, and the video I'm currently editing is my healthy hair routine, right? I need to finish like cutting the clips and stuff to finish a voiceover so I can export that video, and then I could start editing vlogs. So I need to edit the healthy hair routine, and then the vlog you guys are gonna see before this one, and then this vlog. So I'm behind on editing. That's the short explanation. But I've been vlogging, I've been enjoying myself, I've been relaxing, I've been busy working, so I hope you guys understand. But this coming week, I'm gonna try to get back. I'm not gonna try. I am gonna get back on my sugar honey iced tea. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a video Tuesday, maybe Wednesday and Thursday, and then on Sunday. We're gonna see. But either way, I'm gonna try my best. But I'm about to go wash this hair. Make sure y'all watch my healthy hair routine. That'll be up before this, so y'all can see how I've been keeping my hair real healthy while having protective styles in, and while I don't have protective styles in, because baby, the hair is gonna be giving booty length by the end of this year. I'm manifesting it. I just finished washing and blow drying my hair. If you guys want to see the products I used and the steps that I took, check out my healthy hair routine once again. Quick little plug, because I showed you guys exactly what I did, because I did the same thing last week. So either way, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my hair into like 4 cornrows. I don't have nails on, so I think I could still braid. We're gonna see, y'all. I can't part, but I could braid. I feel like most people know how to part, but they don't know how to braid. I don't know how to part, so bear with me. These are coming out in the morning. I just want to, you know, try to keep my hair together until then. I gotta practice though, and I need a real sharp rat tail comb. Ooh, okay now. All right now, don't play with her. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Just laying it. Spend all day in it. My hitters, they don't play with it. They don't play with it. They don't play with it. Okay, she's not perfect, but she will do. We all have things we need to work on, and for me, it's braiding. I used to be so much better, but this, it look okay from this, but this one is the worst. This one right here, this one is the worst one, but it's okay. Okay, it's just to hold it here together. So I'm just gonna make a little bounce on the back. But let me get my little turban, because that's gonna make things look. She did the trick. She did the trick. Y'all know I love my Miss Cleo. Call 1-800-585-2020.